You may think getting out of jail with a surety bond is the way to go. Pay a percentage of the bail bond amount, and that's all you have to worry about. Unfortunately, that isn't the end of the story. Not only can a surety bond from an Austin bail bondsman cost 10 to 15% of your bond amount, there's also a $60 processing fee in addition to the premium. There are some other potential fees you should be aware of before you make the decision to get released on a surety bond. Something to keep in mind. A surety company is a business. While their goal, like most businesses, is to make money, they also have to pay their employees rent, utility, and advertising costs. They have to pay fees to get licensed and fees to insurers to back their business. So it's highly doubtful the company you get your surety bond through is going to eat these expenses. What they will do, however, is pass them along to you as their client. So before you get scammed by a surety bond company, find out if the additional fees will be tacked on after you paid the premium of a surety bond. Some possible fees include a travel fee, depending on the time of night they have to come to the jail, a credit card fee, which could be very high depending on the premium, or a cosigner fee, if you want to change the cosigner while you are out on a surety bond. If someone posted the surety bond for you, then whatever reason they wanted to back out, that could result in a cancellation fee. If your surety bond company needs to go to court for you to, for some reason, expect a fee for that too. And if you're a higher risk client, you may have to check in with a surety bond company. And it's safe to say that probably won't come for free. And if you don't come back to court, the surety bond company will definitely do what they need to do to fine you, then charge you for it afterwards. One alternative of getting released from jail is through a lawyer. If you can't get out on a PR bond, the freeway, or your own, an attorney can help you get one. This is something to think about before you decide to get a surety bond. A lawyer won't charge you the $60 processing fee a surety bond company will. And a lot of the time, the fees that you pay the lawyer to help you get released can be carried over to the fees they charge to represent you. This representation is a must when it comes to your criminal case. If calling a surety bond company to help you get released from jail is still an option you want to pursue, make sure you do your homework and ask about all the fees associated with a surety bond before you sign a contract. Being arrested is hard enough as it is. You don't want to get tricked by a surety bond company to make it even worse.